guys! We're finally here sa BGC. We're gonna stay here for one night lang. And look, sobrang ganda nung nabook ni ate na Airbnb. Sobrang lawak. We're gonna do a room tour. So, pagpasok mo, may ref. Sobrang laki ng ref. Kitchen. Tapos, you can do your laundry here. Tapos, ang laki ng dining. And then, yan, may couch lang. Mirror. And then, here's the bed. And then it has an alfresco. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Look, it's so big. It's so nice. Ate, mag-hi ka sa vlog ko. Eme lang to. Tapos ayun yung Uptown Mall. We're gonna go there later. Ah! Ganda, hindi mainit, no?
Hi. Ganda mo na.
So nice here. Ang taas! 27th floor. So nice. Hi guys, we're here at Lagyarn.
Lagyan. Hey guys, we're currently in BGC and we're going to Uptown. You know, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat at No-No's.
No-No's, it's my first time in No-No's. Shibuya Crossing!
Grabe ang wing guys. Na para bang mga saranggola kami.
Honey. Love it.
Are you excited? Kanina pa, hindi yan makatulog kagabi. Kagabi ang salad.
Hey guys, it's currently 5:30 PM na and bumalik lang kami dito sa Airbnb kasi may kinuha si ate and then kaming dalawa ni ate Joy pupunta kami ng Uptown. Mag-check lang kami ng shops and then kung may mabibili, titignan natin. I'm also looking for a gift sa friend ko. So, that's our agenda. Sana makakuha na ako ngayon dito kasi wala na akong ibang time. But yeah, we're just enjoying the view, guys. Hi guys, we're here at MLB. Char Hub. We're currently here naman sa Foot Locker. Nag-check lang na accident. Lang siya ate, adjust lang. So, pwede siya. So, parang okay lang kasi at least safe. Ito na lang. Natapos na ang mysterious. Parang init ate, or ako lang ba? Parang init. Init yun dito eh. Guys, sobrang ganda ng falls, no? Kanina nabasa kami, andun kami sa yung gilid na yan. Yan, nandun kami ni Ate Boy. Basang-basa kami. Hindi kami ready na papaliguan pala regalo. Thanks to Ate Joy. Tinulungan niya ako mag-design. Yay! Punta kami ng High Street. Kasi di pa doon nakakapunta si Ate Joy doon. So, lalakad lang kami papunta doon. Near na. Tapos nakita ko tong Seda Hotel. Super sarap ng cocktail. So if you guys wanna try some drinks sa gabi. Sarap. Sa Zara naman kami. Sobrang daming tao sa High Street. Ayan na si Ate. Nagsusukot ang ganda nito kaso size 7. Ayan o. Pero ang ganda nung ano. We're going to Harlan and Holden. Di pa natatry dito ni Ate. So, tatry namin. Malapit na kami guys. Nilakad lang namin lahat. Okay. Ang sarap. Ito Ate. Ito yung lagi namin binibili. Yung seashells. Oo. So yan. Anong gusto mo Ate? Walang coffee or dark? Ito yung ano, yung normal. Then, parang gusto mo mag-try ng bago. Cereal latte. Trip kaya yun. Ordered sea salt and matcha. Guys, pabalik na kami ni Ate Joy sa Airbnb. Tapos nakakatawa, paus na yan. Paus na yan siya. Paus na ako. Paus na si Ate Joy. Tapos kanina dapat magyayaw-yaw kami. Sabi ko, Ate, magyayaw-yaw ka tayo kasi may nakita kaming yaw-yaw. Tapos, sabi ko, ay hindi, mag-ano tayo, magkape tayo kung na-try niya na ba yung Harlan and Holden para matry niya. Oo. Tapos ngayon, kanina hindi pa ganyan natin yung boses mo, diba? O ngayon, paus na siya. Kawawa naman. Kanina sinisinat kami. Kaming dalawa ni Trevor, sinisinat kami kagabi. Hey, hi! I'm here with them. We are at Isol! Naririnig niyo kami, guys. Walang ilaw. Grabe, sobrang harsh ng ilaw. Walang ilaw, guys. I'm happy to see her again. We're here at Forbes Town. Tapos, mag-fit check lang kami. Guys, tignan niyo kung saan namin pinapatong to para lang magkaroon kami ng fit check. Hindi namin alam kung bakit to may ganito. Pero, tignan niyo naman. Fit check muna. Yeah! Guys, it's already, anong oras na ba? It's 12:10. Tapos kanina biglang naisipan namin magpa-pierce. Pero ito kasi sobrang impulsive. Yun. Pero hindi naman namin tinuloy. Uy, sa Seda, masarap yung cocktails. Meron ba? Sa Seda ba kayo? Hindi ba? Hindi. Pero yung pinaka-rooftop. Alam ko lang kung bukas pa, pero masarap yung cocktails nila dun. Anyway. Gusto mo pumunta? Yan ang Sponty. Oo eh. Tanong natin if open pa. Though, tawag dito, sobrang lamig. Grabe. Parang nasa Tagaytay lang. Parang walang uuwi ang pamilya tong mga to. Grabe. Sobrang haba ng day ko, OMG. But we're so happy. Grabe, nasa High Street na naman kami, oh. Oh. Local yan dito, guys. Kung kailangan nyo ng tour guide, kunin nyo na to. Hi guys, it's already 10:08 AM. Tapos 11 checkout namin. Kakagising lang namin. Grabe na. Ito ang slow mornings. dali.
Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's support.
True. Like, guys, subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
We're gonna eat here, guys.
Okay.
Happy birthday! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you po.
Ito na ang cake.
Kanina bagsak-bagsak. Thank you so much,
Sa
ate.
Diversendos lang ang cake.
Wow, really like this cake.
Oh, dili na wish na.
Can we show this to the camera?
Oh, di ba?
Wow.
Wow!
Wow, thank you guys. Thank you, ate.
You're
Thank you, Doris. Make a wish.
Make a wish!
Good health, and long life.
Perfect.
Perfect. And success,
More
of course.
money.
More money, of course. Very important. Lalo na sa imo, ate. So that we have many cakes from ate.
Tama na, Ibra!
Thank you, ate Doreen.
Wow!
Hey! Happy birthday!
Thank you, ate Dia.
We're gonna eat na.
Yeah.
Here's our food. Thank you, CJ!
Thank you, ate Dia.
Thank you, Ate Dia, for the cake!
Lovely cake. I like this cake.
Guys, we are currently here at George and Oni. Sobrang nice ng place. This is the look. And we're celebrating CJ's birthday. Yay! Thank you, CJ. Siya magbabayad niyan, guys. Oh. Super dami. Grabe. I wish kay CJ na hindi siya mawala ng pera.
You have to finish it.
Tahimik na naman yun si CJ. Guys, we're done. We're on the way to Ula Coffee. First time namin lahat.
We're so full, guys. That's why we're walking right now.
Yeah, mag-walk lang na lang.
For faster absorption and digest. No, we digest the food now.
Guys, next location, Sulok Cafe. Ang daming tao sa Ula. Wala kaming seat and plan namin tumambay ng matagal. So, sabi namin, lipat na lang kami. And then yung matcha bar naman, sobrang dami ding tao. So, yeah. Nakakapagod ba sana yung Pilipinas? Change location.
Thank you so much, Ate Dia, for your treat. We love you.
Thank you, Ate.
Proud brother.
Wow. Here's our order, guys. I got the geisha. Tapos si Doreen, ano yun? Yan, tas pistachio, and then London something. Tapos extra ganito.